Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our Islamic channel Islam the Infinite Light. Let us learn more about Islam. Today we are going to discuss the meaning of a powerful dua, Hasbunallahu Wa Ni'mal Wakeel. So let's begin. Hasbunallahu Wa Ni'mal Wakeel. Hasbun has a root word hasbi, which means sufficient. Allahu is Allah. Wa Ni'mal Al Wakeel. Wa is an in English, and Al Wakeel is one of the 99 names of Allah, and the meaning of it is the best protector of affairs. Who else apart from Allah can help us and take care of our affairs? That is the reason Allah is sufficient for us, and He is the excellent protector of affairs for us. Thus, the complete dua, Hasbunallahu Wa Ni'mal Wakeel in English, stands for sufficient for us is Allah, and He is the best protector or disposer of affairs for us. It is mentioned in one of the hadith, Sahih al-Bukhari, narrated by Abdullah ibn Abbas radiallahu anhu, when Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, was thrown into the fire. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam recited Hasbunallahu Wa Ni'mal Wakeel, and Allah saved Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam from the fire, and the fire cooled down and became garden for him. Thus Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saved Prophet Ibrahim from the fire. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned this in the chapter 3, Surah Ali Imran, verse number 173. Those to whom the people said, "Surely men have gathered against you, therefore fear them." But this increased their faith, and they said, "Allah is sufficient for us, and the most excellent is the protector." Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel. Allah is sufficient for us, and the most excellent is the protector. Dear brothers and sisters, keep reciting this dua daily to help you to overcome difficulties you are going through. Hope you have understood the meaning of this beautiful and powerful dua. If you do so, please hit the like button, share with your friends and family members in order to benefit them as well. Subscribe us for more Islamic videos. JazakAllah Khairan for watching.